It is now about 4 o'clock in the morning. It has been raining for about 4.5 or 5 hours. My rain barrel still going strong. You can see how much faster it's raining now than it was, how much more rain. I also have an overflow area which I come out and dump. And here we have, again, look at how absolutely filled up this is with water. It's just flooding everywhere from the gutters. Guarantee it'll be the same up in the front. You see, this is filling up with water, and it is not in my system. I've been dumping the water for the whole storm. It's seeping. That's been seepage over here. The mulch wasn't there. Yeah, it's hard to see with the light, but it's definitely just soaked in water. See how much deeper this is now. What's going on? Still